How to activate Eastwest Credit Card online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to activate Eastwest Credit Card online. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch your preferred browser, click search bar and type in eastwestbanker.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. You will reach on the official interface of Eastwest Credit Card. So simply, you need to click on Now, in order to activate your Eastwest credit card online, click on this icon or the home icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now choose your online banking. So let's click on Easy Way Online Personal. And then you will land on the next interface. So wait until it gets loaded. So here you are on this register to the new online banking section where you need to click on register button. If you already have an account, you can click on login now button. So click register. Now you have reached on the section where you have to check mark I agree to the terms and condition and privacy policy box and click on continue button. As you can see, we have got 6 steps. So you can easily follow the 6 steps. So here is the select verification method. You can verify your account details, verify with credit card details, or verify with debit card details. Choose any one of them. Now you need to verify your account, entering your date of birth and account number, and then click on continue button. And after following the 4 more steps, you can easily activate your Eastwest credit card online account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.